Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have another haul for you guys today. I haven't really been doing much crafting, but I do have plans. If I don't go out of town this weekend, I have some projects and ideas that I want to work on, so I'm thinking that I'll probably film those so that I can share those with you guys. But let me share this. It's just a small haul. I stopped off at Hobby Lobby and I got a few little items from Amazon as well. I have been on a traveler's notebook kick again, and I found these DIY or mixed media traveler's notebooks at Michael's on sale a few weeks back, or a couple weeks, something like that, and I did share those in a haul with you guys. But I kind of wanted to make some inserts and just alter the notebooks a little bit, and I want to use the Diamond collection by Prima to do that. It's a beautiful collection that I shared with you guys a couple weeks ago. So some of the items that I bought are geared towards my traveler's notebook box. I have a box here that I'm going to keep all my supplies for traveler's notebooks in. And yeah, so anyway, I'm going to stop rambling. I hope everybody is doing well, and I'm going to go ahead and get into the haul. So Hobby Lobby this week has their faux leather spools on sale for 50% off, and also the bead design company beads are 50% off. So I grabbed some of this faux leather. Bless you, my dog is sneezing. But I grabbed some of this faux leather, and I grabbed it looks like a basket weave texture on here. It's the faux braided leather ribbon, and I got a black one and I got this brown or mocha one. And my idea for these is to make some traveler's notebooks, and actually, depending on how these notebooks come out, I did want to make up a few to gift. So I thought this would be a perfect gift. And this is that traveler's notebook that I got from Michael's a little while back. I haven't done anything with it. I do have some measurements written down that I am going to be referencing to make some more inserts for this one. And I do like the size of this traveler's notebook, but I want to kind of alter the inside of it, or make one from scratch for myself, and add that diamond paper in there. I think that'll be really pretty, some paper from that collection. But this one came with the two notebook inserts and also a folder insert. And so that is one project I want to work on, and this will be the one that I keep like in my purse to jot stuff down. And so yeah, so I got these two. So both rolls were $5 because they're 50% off, so I thought that was good. I also have other faux leathers in different colors as well, but I love the black and the brown for the traveler's notebooks, especially to keep in my purse, because I usually don't carry. I have a few colorful purses, but I usually carry the brown or black purse. So this will be in my purse. So for beads, I did find these really pretty animal print beads. So this box was $4.50, and I think I'm going to make some little dangle charms for my traveler's notebooks, and this will be perfect for that collection, I believe. So I also got this quilling tool because I haven't shared this with you guys, but I did a huge AliExpress die haul that I do plan on filming a video. I just wanted to take my time with that so that I can cut and make samples or of all of the dyes, so that you guys can see how they cut and what they produce, the product they produce. So I have that coming up as well. I just haven't gotten a chance to do it. It'll probably come this weekend. But I got a quilling tool because one of the dyes that I got is a flower dye, and it's one of the ones where you have to roll the flowers. So I picked this up for $3.99, and I was looking for a coupon for Hobby Lobby, but I think they took away the 40% off coupon that they usually have. So that coupon is gone now. But it was only $3.99, so I did get that. I got a few things off clearance. So I got these stickability stickers, regular $4.99. They were on clearance for $1.24. And this is like a birthday celebration sticker set, and these are puffy stickers, and it also has these. I'm not sure what this material is, but and then also these. I thought this was a cute set, and even if I don't use it, I could definitely gift it for $1.24. So I got those, and I got 3 sets of these puffy stickers, and these were 99 cents. And also, again, these would be great to gift to some of my crafty friends. I also picked up some Happy Planner stickers that were on clearance for $4.99. And y'all know, usually regular price for these are $19.99. So I did pick up 3 of these. This one is called Adulting. And I'm just going to open it up and just kind of flip through to show you guys. Let's see. So you got your colorful boxes. You have your daily chores here. These have silver foiling on them. These are your appointment boxes and shapes. These say bills paid and keeping track of your bills here. Here's this. I thought this was a cute one. Adulting. It says, I totally adulted, and it's like a conversation box. You can write in. And I like these right here with the foiling. I went to the gym today. I didn't kill my plants. I put the dishes away. I put the laundry away. I didn't spend all my money. So those are cute. So just a quick flip through. Adulted like a boss. High five. I totally adulted. Adult-ish. Busy. That's enough todaying for today. Some cute stickers. So I got that one. I thought that was cute. And I haven't been doing any planner videos lately. Actually, I haven't been doing much lately at all. But I do need to share some of my planner organization with you guys as well. So I thought this one was pretty too. This says life is a party. So just a quick flip through of this one. I like this one as well. I love the letters that are shaped like balloons. Really nice. And I can also use these in my traveler's notebooks as well. And then the last one I got is this, I guess it's everyday one, with the ladies here. And just a quick flip through of this one. Just like the fashion diva ladies. Has some foiling, some silver foiling, some gold foiling. Yeah, so I like that one too. They had a few more that was on clearance for $4.99, but I like these 3, so I picked those up. And then I also got some of this Heat and Bond, this iron-on adhesive, and I got this because I wanted to have a way to back my faux leather with the designer paper that I'm going to use for my traveler's notebook. So I'm going to give this a shot. I think I watched a video with another lady doing her DIY traveler's notebook like that, so I think I am going to try this. So I got a couple of those, and then I also got some felt sheets, and I got these 2 animal print felt sheets from Hobby Lobby, and then I got this as well. This is just black felt sheets, and these have the adhesive on the back already, and I got that to just to see in case this Heat and Bond doesn't work out for me, I could use this one that already has the adhesive on it and just back the back of my faux leather with this. So that's the idea for this and this. So not a huge haul, but I did want to share. So I also picked up a few things on Amazon. So I got one of these screw punches, and I got this because I have a crocodile, but when I'm making my traveler's notebooks and I need to put a hole in the center of a page, I can't do that with my crocodile, and I don't have the big crop. I know they have the big chomp or whatever it's called. It's the big one where you can hole punch like the center of pages and stuff like that. But so I got one of these, and I'm going to try this out. Got that off of Amazon. I also got some of these adhesive vinyl pockets as well, so that I could add to my traveler's notebook. I got one of these like little canvas, it's like a little canvas folder or wallet to stick in, and it has like card slots and a slot over here where if I wanted to throw a few dollars in there, I can do that. And let me see how it's gonna go in here. Let's see. So I could just do this like this, or I could actually put it, how was I thinking? I could actually put it like this to hold it in, and then it goes like that, so that it's on, you know, so however I want to stick that in, I can do that, just to give me that space for some cards. So I'll probably just put it on its own, especially if I'm going to have money or something in there. I'll probably just put it like this. That way I, you know, either way. So I got one of those to go in my notebook. And I also thought about making some calendar booklet inserts, but I decided I wanted to just buy some, and you can get these 3 for like $8. So this is just like the week layout, and I got these on Amazon, and I like this. This is perfect. And yeah, they're all the same, so you just get 3 like that, and I think it was like $8. So that'll be added in there, and all I'm going to do is decorate these. They're just regular craft paper, and so I'm just going to decorate these. I don't really have to have all of the blank ones in there now. I can have a calendar insert in there as well, so just like that. So that's the idea, and so I still have these 2 that I could just switch off, or refill, I should say. I can refill when I need. but I definitely want to try to make one of these on my own, and if I like the way it turns out, then I can make these as gifts. Yeah, so that is the share today, y'all. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please click the link to subscribe. Feel free to comment, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. And I will be having a crafty video coming up real soon, so stay tuned. And it may be the DIY Traveler's Notebook. I might just share with you guys how I do it. So anyway, that is it. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.